A little duckling was born looking very different from his siblings. The other ducklings called him ugly and made fun of him. Feeling like he didn't belong, the little duckling ran away and searched for a place where he could be accepted. Seasons passed, and one day he saw his reflection in a lake. To his surprise, he had grown into a beautiful swan. He wasn't an ugly duckling at all. He had just been different all along. So, my dear friends, moral of the story is don't judge someone by how they look. Everyone is special in their own way. And real beauty is about being yourself.